The 2007 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.